Okay, Danny. Okay, guys, put a bag on, please. I want to put a bag on. We can take that one away, Ralph. Yes. Thank you. I would put them the other way, the flat down, but it doesn't matter for right now. Okay, help Ralph with this. Make sure he gets lined up right. Whoop, you're on the corner of the bag, Ralph. Watch him, Javier, watch him. Ralph, you all the way in tight? Okay. Pinch him up. Okay, fellas, let's eject one. Javier, we got enough manure shook loose, right? We got enough manure shook loose in the tank, okay. No, we're not going to do any more. We want to clean out. I just want these guys to see this one eject. Okay. You can vibrate it once, see if a vibrator will help. Ralph, we want to go ahead and clean up. We want to go ahead and clean up. We're done. All I got to do is, I want to get the picture of this one ejected.
We can't do stuff.
We don't have enough in there? All right. Then if we got to shake a little in, let's do it. I want to get a picture ejected. All right. Hey Ralph, how about the vibrator? Okay. Ralph, let's not put nothing else in because we're gonna have to shovel all that shit out of there, stuff out of there. Okay, all right. Okay. If we can push another bale, let's try to push another bale. I don't want to make us have a bunch of cleanup.
We don't have, that's it.
Okay.
Whatever's put in that machine,
Do you think we'll be able to eject into this bale or no? No?
we might. If put it there, we might be able to squeeze it out, might break up.
All right. Well, we'll just have to dump the bag if we can. Keep going backwards. Oh, okay, never mind, Ralph. You got it. Yeah, if we can push out as much as we can. Otherwise, guys, we're gonna be shoveling by hand. That's a lot of shit to shovel.
That's a partial bale.
That one's good.
That one ain't. Oh, Ralph.
Beautiful, Ralph. That one looks great.
What's the bottom look like?
You're hanging good. Keep it tight. That's a good one. The corners crumbled? Damn. That's going to be a pain in the butt to clean up.
Turn it off, John. Ain't going nowhere.
Okay, gentlemen, say bye to the camera.